In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Chrome from Windows 11. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know the exact path in Windows settings to remove Chrome cleanly and what to expect during the process, so there are no surprises. First, open the Windows search. You can click the search icon on the taskbar or tap the Windows key and start typing. We're using the built-in Windows 11 tools to make this quick and reliable. Type installed apps into the search bar. You should see installed apps appear under settings in the results. Click it to open the app section of settings. This page lists everything currently installed on your PC, and it includes a handy search field so you don't have to scroll through a long list. At the top of the installed apps page, click the search box and type Google Chrome. This filters the list and makes Chrome easy to find. If nothing shows up, that means Chrome isn't installed under this account or it was already removed. Otherwise, you'll see Google Chrome with a small menu button next to it. Next, click the three dots to the right of Google Chrome. That opens the More Options menu for the app. This is where Windows groups actions like moving, modifying, or uninstalling programs. Choose Uninstall from the menu. Windows will prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to remove it. This prevents accidental uninstalls, especially for commonly used apps. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Depending on your settings, you might also see a user account control prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device. If you do, approve it to continue. A Chrome uninstaller window may briefly appear. Just follow the on-screen cues. The process usually takes a minute or two, and the Chrome entry will disappear from the installed apps list once it's done. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If Chrome was your default browser, Windows will revert to another installed browser. You can always set a new default later in settings under apps and default apps. If you signed into Chrome with a Google account, your bookmarks and passwords are typically synced online, so you can get them back if you reinstall later or switch to another device. And if a restart is suggested at the end of the uninstall, go ahead and reboot to finalize any pending changes. That's it. You've successfully removed Google Chrome using Windows 11's installed apps. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you need to follow along again.